Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2009 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Classic with 41,974 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Lehman TRIKE kit, mechanical reverse, luggage rack, tall windshield, trailer hitch, an aftermarket exhaust, and passenger grab handles. The Electra Glide offers rugged power and rider comfort without compromising on either, making it a popular option for a larger touring vehicle. Powered by a 96 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Electra Glide puts 92 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 889 pounds and has a 27.3 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.